Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kendall with Savera Wood Floor Refinishing. So we are back out in Long Island again. We are in Setauket, Long Island, actually. This project we've been doing, this is our third time coming here. And I tell you the reason why we're coming here third time. You know, guys, we try to be realistic when dealing with our clients, and homeowners. It was really challenging for him moving their furniture out the house. And we told him it's not an issue at all. So what we did the dining room, kitchen area. We got that done, and then he moved the furniture from one area to the next. So now we did the bedrooms upstairs. So today we're gonna be doing the living room and the dining room area. Well, this is like a sitting area. And once we get that done, we're gonna come back one more time and get another area done. So this way, he was able to move the furniture throughout the house, not having to get a pod or put the furniture outside. And yeah, so today we're gonna get this area done, and I'm gonna go inside in a little bit and I'll show you guys what we're working with and how great these floors are coming out. So again, this is one of the things that we do. If you are unable to move the furniture completely out of the house, we can do the job in different sections. Everything is dust control, and we do have our UV curable finishes, which makes this process even better. So what we'll do an area, get that done, UV cure the floors, and then they can move the furniture to that area once we're done. And then we'll do another area, UV cure the floors, and we can leapfrog around from area to area until we have the project finished. Okay, so stay tuned for some more results. Today, I'll come back tomorrow and I'll finish up this section.